Welcome back, cooks. This will be our eggless vanilla bean ice cream lesson. We'll start off with a half cup of brown sugar and a half cup of granulated sugar. We'll then go ahead and add in 2 cups of half and half cream. Now you can do this by hand, but it'll be much easier with a hand mixer. Time to whisk. After the sugar is dissolved, we'll go ahead and add in 1 tablespoon of Madagascar vanilla bean extract. We'll also add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now, of course, more whisking. We'll now go ahead and set up our KitchenAid mixer with the ice cream bowl attachment. We'll go ahead and remove the standard stainless steel bowl, and we'll grab our ice cream bowl that you can leave in the freezer for about 2 to 3 days. Life gets busy, ours has been here for about 4 or 5 days. Just securely lock it down. Before we close it, let's make sure we add the attachment. Very important, there's 2 sides. One is a small side, the other one's a big side. We want the big side to slide in onto the mixer. This is locked in place. No worries. Go ahead and bump it a little bit and make sure it's facing towards you. This way you can slide it on. For safety, you can unplug it, and remember to slide the big side on first down to the notch. It won't clip, it just slides on securely until snug. Once that's lined up, we can go ahead and get our other piece, which has grooves or slots in it. Most people, they like to pour their ice cream in now in the bowl that we have earlier, but you don't want to do that. We'll go ahead and put this in first. Center it, and remember, those notches line up with the bottom piece. We'll go ahead and set it down, line them up. There's a lock on the other side, and then we'll go ahead and turn it on low. Now it's time to pour in our mix from earlier.
Is that caramel? Sure, why not? Of course, you can select your own finishing touches, but if you are going with caramel, you can use a large spoon to scoop within the jar and freestyle drizzle, just as we did.
For soft serve, grab a spoon and dig in. If you want a firmer consistency, go ahead and put it in the freezer for about 2 to 4 hours. Enjoy!